nuove music.
Aloha and welcome, Hurricanes class of 2024. Welcome to Kapolei High School. As proud Hurricanes, this year you're going to experience many firsts. This is our first year that we're going live, all virtual classes, and I encourage you to reach out to all of your classmates, your teachers, counselors, and other staff members for whatever supports you may need. I know many of you may be coming from Kapolei Middle School. Slight difference here, we're not on any tracks, so no more are you referred to as green track, blue track, red track, or yellow track. Here, we're all Hurricanes, and we're all one team. Again, as your proud principal, I welcome you and I encourage you to get involved with as many activities as possible, or what will be available to you during this virtual year. What inspires me the most is a lot of the resolve, resilience, and perseverance that I've seen many of our students exhibit throughout this entire pandemic. It's not going to be easy, but we'll get through this together with much caring, dignity, and integrity. Aloha.
Aloha everyone, my name is Miss Toy. I'm your assistant principal for the 9th grade class. I am here in G Down along with Miss Do Lim, your other assistant principal in the building. I'm going to be honest, this is not the way we would have ideally wanted to welcome you to high school. And yet I want you to think of someone you consider a hero. Maybe it's someone in your family, someone from history, someone from your favorite movie. Heroes rise to the occasion when times are particularly tough and challenging. We are in a challenging time, but I have full faith in each and every one of you that we can together rise to meet this challenge and navigate virtual learning together. You each are going to be in a very special team, either with Malama or with Hano Hano or with Kupono, each team representing one of our values here at Kapolei High School, caring, dignity, and integrity. You are one of us now. You represent Kapolei High School, and we could not be prouder to be on this team with you. Mahalo.
Aloha 9th graders, welcome to the Kapolei family. We're so excited to have you on board as we navigate through this world of 9th grade. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm Ms. Kapolei Pandarawan. I am counselor for team Hano Hano and Malama. My partner is Ms. Jennifer Koo. She is the counselor for team Kupono. At any time throughout this year, please don't hesitate to call or email both of us if you have any questions or concerns. And as we navigate this world together, we look forward to one day meeting you face to face.
Hey freshmen, and welcome to Kapolei High School. I'm Mr. Paranada, a social studies teacher in the Freshman Academy and your freshman class advisor. As your advisor for the next 4 years, I'll be helping your student leaders plan for all class of 2024 activities. I know this year will be much different, but we'll do our best to make sure that you guys can make memories that will last a lifetime. Again, welcome to Kapolei High School and go Hurricanes.
As you enter our campus, you will see the administration office. In this building, we have our registration office, attendance office, security office, as well as our health room.
This is the library. In order to enter the library, you must bring your student ID. Once you enter the library, on your left side will be the College and Career Center, where you can meet with Mr. Okoji to discuss your future plans.
As you enter the library towards the right, you can use the computers during class time if you have a pass. As you walk towards the back of the library, we have our portables where world languages are located and some of your electives such as dance and acting.
Welcome to K101, Kapolei High School's woodshop, which is located on the left side of the library. Welcome to H Building, also known as the Junior Building. This building houses the Fine Arts Academy. Downstairs, your AP is Mrs. Nohara, and upstairs, your counselor is Mr. Banton.
Welcome to I Building, also known as the sophomore building for the class of 2023. Downstairs, we have the Natural Resources Academy, and upstairs, we have the Engineering and Design and Building and Construction. Downstairs, we also have our AP, Ms. Nakamoto, and upstairs, our counselors are Ms. Cruz and Ms. Palencia.
Welcome to J Building, also known as the Seniors Building. In this building, we have Human Services, Business Academy, and Health Academy. In the very back of the building, we have the JROTC program. Our counselor in this building is Ms. Subiono. In G Building, we have our Freshman Academy. In the back downstairs, we have our Math department. On my left side is the Student Government Room where you can purchase your hurricane gear. Our upstairs counselors are Ms. Pandarawan and Ms. Koo, and our AP downstairs is Ms. Toy.
Welcome to Kapolei High School's gymnasium. On the left side, we have the PE locker rooms, and on the right side, we have the gym. The classes here are PE, team sports, and weight training. Welcome to the Alvin Nagasako Sports Complex, where we hold our sporting events such as football and soccer. Also here, we hold our annual events such as Welcome Back Assembly and our graduation.
Welcome to Kapolei High School's band room, home of the Hurricane Marching and Symphonic Band. D Building also consists of the choir room, home of the Hurricane Singers.
To the side of D Building is the cafeteria, where you can pick up your grab-and-go lunch. Also in here, we have some of our assemblies.
Between G and H Building, we also have our food kiosk where grab-and-go lunches are also available.